Kate Blanc Castor Oil is your go-to solution for longer lashes, fuller brows, and healthier hair, all in one organic, nutrient-rich formula. This premium, USDA-certified organic castor oil is 100% pure, cold-pressed, and completely free from hexane, ensuring you get the highest quality for your beauty regimen. Infused with essential fatty acids, it deeply nourishes hair follicles, promoting natural growth for stronger, shinier hair while keeping your scalp hydrated and free from dryness. The included applicators make it effortless to apply on your eyelashes and eyebrows, enhancing their thickness and length over time. Beyond hair care, this multitasking oil is a powerhouse for skincare, locking in moisture, softening the skin, and reducing blemishes for a smooth, radiant complexion. If you're looking for a natural beauty solution without harsh chemicals, Kate Blanc Castor Oil is the perfect choice. Trusted by thousands, it's time to elevate your routine with the power of pure, organic nourishment. Start your journey to healthier hair, lashes, and skin today. Order now and experience the difference. Find the product link in the description.